Hey guys, it's me, Captain, and today I'm going to show you how you can put your own drum samples into my template. So what you're going to want to do is select a drum channel, go over here to the rack and expand it. And what we're going to do, we're going to change Bank Zero's drums. So I'm going to go ahead and rename this to Cymatics. And so I'm going to use a bunch of Cymatic samples. And then what you would do next, you go here, expand, make sure I'm in the right one. Yep. So you expand this, move all the samples that are in there. Next, go over here, select 128 of your favorite drum samples, drag them over. Now that you've done that, what I want you to do is go over here and hit the selector so that we can change which samples selected when. Right click and distribute ranges equally. That's going to do, it's going to put a different kick on every, I guess those drums are a little quieter than mine. There we go. So it puts a different drum on every single selector. Another nice thing you can do here is you can go ahead and say normalize volumes if you want, and that will keep all of them in the same volume. It doesn't actually normalize the sample, it just adjusts the sampler volume. So we'll give this a second to run just so you can see it in action. Probably turn the volume back down. There we go. All right. After that, what I personally like to do once I've changed this is I will rename the rack. Say demo with Cymatics. And then I will click save, and I have my new drum rack saved. So that's how you do it. I'll see you next time.